Hey everyone, I just got back from the Boot Beauty Live event, and here is the bag of samples that I got while walking around, and here is the goodie bag that Boots gave us when we were leaving. So the event was actually nice. It wasn't bad. I recommend it. You could go for the next one. This is how heavy the bags are. So let's start with should we start with the goodie bag or the sample bag? Okay, let's start with the sample bag. Some of them I won them, like you play games and you win a gift. First we got flowers. Everybody got flowers. It was really nice. It was a nice touch. Yeah. You get these makeup thingy. I won these duffel bags from Beauty by Joseon. I got drinks. I got 2 of this kombucha. I really love kombucha, so I actually asked for 1 more. We were given these Vit Eat immunity the minute we arrived. I was fasting, so I couldn't take it. I want these hair scruffles, whatever it is, samples from Laneige and e.l.f. If I'm not saying the names right, sorry, forgive me. I want this candy from Candy Kisses. I actually played the game and I didn't win, so they gave me that as consolation prize. I got these Inky List Hydro Barrier Serum. More samples. I got these from Bubble. It's a moisturizer, water cream moisturizer. I got samples from CeraVe. Samples. Where are all the CeraVe samples? CeraVe samples. Can you see that? Samples. I think I got a lot of CeraVe samples, and I won these. You have to pick, like I think it was a game. I won these tints from Maybelline. I got these Kyoda from Skin Plus Me. I got these Milky Moisture Cleanser from Byoma. I got this hydrating lip oil from Glow Milk, and I got this Brazilian Bum cream from Sol de Janeiro. Tell me if I'm saying it wrong. And I got this Glow Bright highlighter one. So these are all the things that I got from just, playing games and walking around the event hall. Now let's go on to the things that I got in the goodie bag. For the goodie bag, we've got magazine, this Sol de Janeiro, I'm saying it wrong, body oil, SPF 50. I don't know what is in here. It's from Beauty of Joseon and Boots. Oh, these are samples. Nice. Oh, nice. So we've got sunscreen, eye serum, and light on serum. Oh, that's nice. We've got salted dark chocolates, almonds. We've got the Boots lip balm. I feel like I'm not going to buy lip gloss for a very long time. We've got the Skin Plus Me serum. Oh, this I need. This I really need. Yeah, so there was a masterclass made by Michelle himself, and this is a blush from him. That's how it's called, blush. Then this Laneige sleeping mask. We've got a lot here. We've got this Byoma hydrating serum. I'm going to put this closer. I've got this bubble hydrating cream, jelly tint from Milk, this elixir from Sachu, this body butter, sleep body butter from Neom, another lip gloss from Maybelline, number 7 liquid blush, the face glue prime, Inky List hyaluronic acid serum, primer, lip gloss from H&B, primer from e.l.f, a drink, hairspray, it's protectant spray, sorry. This is a clay mask from Innisfree. This is a luminous lip shine from number 7. Samples from CeraVe, and lastly blush from number 7. Now the event, it was £25 for a ticket, and considering all I got in the goodie bag and the samples, do you think it was worth it? Would you be willing, or would you love to go for the next one? Personally, I think you should go for the next one. I think it was actually worth it, but what do you think? It is left to you to decide. Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, is there anything else I'm missing? I don't know, I can't remember, but if you have any questions, please ask. Bye.